What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about how not to get your KDP account suspended. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know exactly how I got my results with my low content book publishing business, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This lays out exactly what I did to get my results. And you can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, getting your account suspended, that would be an absolute nightmare if that were to happen. Well, I got some good news for you because I'm going to show you exactly how not to get your account suspended and closed. And it all comes down to having multiple accounts. So Amazon does not allow you to have more than one KDP account under the same name, address, email and everything like that. So you might have two accounts and you might not even use one of them, but that does not matter. Amazon is still going to shut you down for having multiple accounts. Now, why am I telling you this? Well, recently in the private Printing Profits group, that's the group for the course students, I recently had a student have their account closed, and all that Amazon said was they had multiple accounts and that's why they'd done that, and they believe that they didn't. But I wanted to make a video, just a quick short video, explaining that you can't have two accounts because Amazon does not care. They will shut you down regardless. So if we go over to here, I've also found this little article how someone had their KDP account closed, and if we go here, it says this happened during the height of my new book launch when I was #1 in all my categories. So to have a book in #1 bestseller, then to have your account closed would be a nightmare. Anyway, and just starting to build reviews, so not ideal. The main problem was I had two duplicate KDP accounts with the same email using different passwords. One of them was a mistake, but since I've had it for a couple of years, I decided to use it for this new book because I write for very different genres and the two accounts helped me keep them organized. So yeah, apparently we can't have two accounts. That's against the rules. Also, apparently they sent me a previous email, apparently, which she never saw, which I hadn't responded to. So the moral of this video is just don't have two accounts. Stay safe. Just have that one which you publish under. It doesn't matter if you publish under multiple different niches, like I do, because you can have multiple different pen names. So you might have that one account, but you could have 10, 20, 50 different pen names within that account. And because they're under different pen names, they're not going to collide with each other. So if you currently have more than one account with KDP, then go and close one down, especially if you're not using it. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.